Okay, so now we're going to start looking at our actual door, our new locked door blueprint. Now, if we look at our blueprint itself, when we interact with this door, we simply open the door. So there's nothing going on to check for anything from the character or check anything. So let's highlight this and move it up, because we want to do some checks before opening that door. So very similarly to our old code, we need to get the number of keys here. So we need to cast the player and check for keys. So in our locked door blueprint, make sure you're using our new blueprint, not the old one, we're going to pull a strand from the interact node, and we're going to cast to player character. There it is. Fantastic. And from the object, let's pull a strand backwards, and we're going to get player character. There we go. So we're getting our character's data. We cast into our character. And then, very similar to before, from as player character, get number of keys. There we go. I'm actually going to move this up a little bit more because it's not quite enough space. And we're going to check these keys. We're going to check what this number is. So I'm just going to type in more than, as in the symbol more than. And we're going to check this. So if the key is more than 0, open the door. We're almost there. So we need one more node. And like I said before, this node that we're going to use now, a very important node, is the branch node. So let's put a branch in between and make that the condition. So if the number of keys is more than 0, or in other words, if you're holding a key, if you've got at least one key, open the door. Brilliant. For now, I'm going to put a string in here, and if you don't have a key, it'll say you do not have a key. Let's give that a go. So I'm going to avoid my key there. I'm just going to come straight to the door and press it. Perfect. If you look at the top left there, you do not have a key. Amazing. So let's pick up a key and see if our door opens. Key's picked up. Fantastic. The door opens. So now we've been able to unlock our door and enter the secret area, where there could be some Easter eggs, there could be a special weapon, whatever. There's plenty of options and uses for a secret room in a game. Brilliant. Okay, so that's almost ready. So let's think there's a second option to this door. If you've got a key for a door, you unlock the door, you keep the key. Most doors function that way in real life. But let's say we want this key to be a one-time use. We should then remove the key after it's been used. So back to our locked door. And I'm going to put it in here, I think. So if true, what we're going to do is I'm going to pull a strand from here and type in minus minus, and that is decrement int. Perfect there. And what int are we going to decrement? The number of keys. So let's make this a little bit neater. There we go. So if you've got multiple doors on your map, you've got to make sure then that the key that you're using is going to be the door that you're going to use this key on is the right door for you, because you can only use it once. And that's what this little box does here. It removes a key from your character. And that should be working. Let's have a look. Let's test it. To do this, I'm actually going to put a second locked door in. Now, I can only open one of these doors. Obviously, this one doesn't go anywhere right now. So, do not have a key. Do not have a key. If I take my key, open the door. Now, in theory, that key should have been removed from my inventory. So now, if I go over here, fantastic, I do not have a key. That key's gone. I can't open multiple doors. That's working perfectly. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to tidy up the code just a little bit. I'm going to get rid of this print string here in the door blueprint, and in the key, I'm going to get rid of the print string here as well. So let's just tidy things up so it's ready to go. Compile that, and compile that. Fantastic. Okay, so before moving on to the next stage in the next video, make sure that your door functions exactly like mine does there. As always, go back through the video if it isn't, check for any errors that you've made or anything that you've skipped over.